Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm down at Canary Wharf, being invited down by the lovely guys to experience Wharf Kitchen. So there's quite a few little vendors in it. It's a cheeky little spot. I've already started eating, I'm not gonna lie to you. So let's show you around at what we've been getting into and go from there. Pretty fly, not gonna lie. Feed the camera.
You're braver than me. I don't like being on camera.
You know?
No. I hate it. Like every time I go, if I go to
You
like
get used to it. Like I used to vlog and be like, so today, guys, where I'm doing it. And now you wake up like, so. The curry sauce is nice. Yeah. Right, so we've got all the Asian flavours out of the way. We're now hitting the Athenian, which is Greek. Then we're gonna go what's close to my heart, which is of course that Caribbean vibe, which I'm so excited to get inside me. Ready? Where we started? Love a bit of Greek. Hey, so an update on the hospitality front. We've been here a while, we've been here for a couple of hours, and actually Rainbow have sent us over like even more food. So we've managed to eat practically everything on the menu, get a picture of everything on the menu. So make sure you come and check out my Instagram. All the pictures will be on there. Leave a like, obviously, if you like what you're seeing, and would love you to subscribe to obviously the channel. Leave some likes there, leave a thumbs up on the video. But I'm gonna get back to eating because we're gonna leave Mama's Jerk for last. I want to see what they got because we've been chatting to the guys here. The team seem fantastic. Everyone here is new, so obviously it's a new place. So though some of these vendors have been around for a while, they're still actually quite new in trading. So it'd be good to obviously come down, get your own thoughts, and then leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the food when you come down in the description. Right, guys. So an update of what I've done and where I've been so far. So we had 5 vouchers to hit up out of I think 7 vendors here. So you've got number 1, you've got Burger, you've got Rainbow, you've got Bird, you've got Mama's Jerk, you've got Akai Pokey, and then you've got Paleo Supply. So I'm anti-vegan, so I won't be getting any vegan. If you want me to do a video on that and why, I'm happy to do so. So if you do, leave a like and we can make that happen very quickly. I don't want a lot of likes for that one, mate. I'm going to tell you how much I dislike vegans. We then went to, so we started at Rainbow. Gyoza was on point. The pork and rice was on point. Definitely a recommend from me on that one. Then we hit the poke bowl. Poke is one of the first times I've had it. Banging, it's refreshing. Actually, it's quite filling when you get nice chunk of it, so definitely recommend that one. Where do we go next? Went to the Athenian. So I've been to the Athenian a few times. I don't know how I feel about it. So it's it's one of those places where I think if you're Greek, you probably don't like the food, or maybe you love the food because you're Greek. Myself, I'd rather go boss man and just get a kebab, if I'm honest. I find the meat a bit dry. Moving on, we went to Bird. Now I've been Bird a few times. I'd like to thank Canary Wharf for obviously inviting me down here, but if I'm honest, Bird just isn't to my taste. It just isn't to my liking, it isn't to my taste. So I haven't liked what I've had there. Anytime I've gone, and I've been to a few different locations, just hasn't done it for me. I just don't like it, I just don't. So yeah, that's it, that's my thoughts on that. Now we're gonna go to the last place, which is Mama Jerk's. Let's see if we can bring home that Caribbean love. Let's see if that goes down as well as what my nana makes it. I hope so. But yeah, we're about to see. Boom. And now for the time that we've been waiting for. Get that Caribbean in my belly. We've got forks. Oh yeah. Let's look at these wings. Powerful. Got a salad, because of course we need that. Plantain is the one. If you do not know about plantain, get to know. Got roti wraps, jerk fries, and jerk biryani. This is gonna be a good time. Where are you starting, bro? Huh? Where are you starting with? Biryani, yeah? Yeah. Let's get him. Oh mate, good. Ding ding ding, we have a winner.